Watch, watch, watch.
Huh?
I know that they comic. What's up, y'all? Right Lifestyle back with another video, and I just had to show y'all that because this dude, I got that M5 over there, and every time he see me standing by my car, he gotta hit it a little bit. He normally do a little louder than that, but I don't know. I'll be trying to catch up with him, line up with him, see what's up, but everybody sound fast in the parking lot. But anyway, another video. Don't forget. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Got another package delivery. We all gonna find out what it is. I'm about to show y'all. Hold on, give y'all a hint. That's all you guys are gonna get from me. Let's walk inside, open up the contents of this box, make sure we got everything, and I will see y'all when I get in there. So now we inside. I already pre-opened the box. I had to cut off the address. Y'all those suckers don't even know nobody live at. Look at all these peanuts in here. Look at the remote. These are going to wrap around the headlights. Power harness. More power harness. What's this miscellaneous? I just decided to throw in the box. Look like more power harnesses, honestly. This is the snorkel pieces. More regulator converter piece. Oh, that's for the fog lights. Don't worry about that. That's what's left of my birthday cake. Oh no, that's not the fog lights. This goes around the headlights. This goes around fog lights. You have to read. That is everything. Guys, you see what it is? It is the RGB Flow Series headlights. You know, that make the lights go like change colors all around. That's what this is. This is the kit. I'm actually, you know, I'm big on DIY, but I'm not doing this myself. I'm not gonna lie to you. I actually got somebody that's gonna do it. So I'm just, you know, double, triple checking, making sure all the stuff is here. And I also, wait a minute. So I thought I bought a remote. I get the remote, but I guess they sent the Bluetooth one, which sucks. I really didn't want to do it from my phone, but whatever. I hate it when it comes from the phone sometimes, because you know, it be messing up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead, get in contact with him, and see if I can drop this stuff off to him today or not. So you guys stay tuned. I'll be back probably after the gym. You already know how I get down. Got the gym fit on. I know I gotta leave him my car, so I'm gonna have to get my little brother's help, to leave the stuff over there. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, get my day started, get my stuff done for the day, and go from there. So I'll check in with y'all a little bit later. He hit me up. It's like, yo, hey, drop the stuff off whenever you're ready. Take a look at it. Hey, say less. We on the way. You know what I'm saying? So pull up there, talk to him for a little bit, and that'll about wrap up this video. Ain't but nothing else really going on. So I was in traffic, but wasn't nobody really doing nothing out there. So alright, I see y'all when I get there. I'm just holding it. I see y'all when I get there, man. It's been a long day. I'm just getting done with everything. I went out and had chill with the homies a little bit. So yeah, I got some good things coming, man. I got some good things coming, and all I can say is stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? To my new supporters, thank y'all for the support. You know what I'm saying? I'm over 200 now. I'm like 211 or something like that. I appreciate that a lot. I appreciate the support. If you got questions, keep asking me questions. If you need me to drop links, keep asking me to drop the links and stuff. I'll keep it going. Help me. And, I appreciate all the help, every way. This is my first time doing stuff like this. So, it's fun. It's fun. I like being able to, put my thoughts on, my mobile canvas. That's what we're going to call it, my mobile canvas. So, I'm going to be getting, the lights installed, and while he got my car, it's going to take like a weekend or so. He said if I drop it off on Friday, I'll be able to have it back on Sunday. So I'm going to drop it off this Friday and pick it up Sunday evening. And we'll see it, man, in all its glory. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to get that, and I got some extras that's going to be in there. Just wait on it, man. Just wait on it. And then, what we doing after that, we moving over to the performance side again. So got something coming, you know what I'm saying? All I can say is please be patient, bear with me. I'm kind of late posting other videos. I apologize. It's a lot of space issues, you know what I'm saying? It's space, I'm doing it all from my phone and whatnot. So, I'm running out of space on my phone and stuff for all the videos and all the recording and stuff, and trying to edit, and there's some stuff I don't want to get rid of, but it's your boy Right Lifestyle checking out with another video. Peace.